Welcome back to English Grammar Part 49. In this part, we are going to focus on adverb of place. Okay. As we started the topic, adverb. What is adverb? Adverb actually modifies verb, adjective as well as another adverb. Okay. So, this adverb also gives information about when that action took place. Okay. Where that action took place and degree of that action, frequency of it as well as manner of it. Okay, so we are going in detail one by one. In last video clipping we focused on adverb of time. Okay, what does that indicate? Adverb of time always says that when something happened, okay, when action took place. That is what we discussed in last class video clipping number 48. Okay, so here in this video clipping we are going to focus on adverb of place. Shall we begin now? Yes, here we go. Adverb of place. This adverb of place gives information about where something happened. Okay, whereas adverb of time just give information about when something happened, when action took place, whereas adverb of place gives information about where that action took place, where something happened. Okay, so where something happens or happened. Okay, so for example, nearby, inside, outside, out, backwards, okay, then in, there, here, below, upstairs. So these words are indicating where something is going to happen or where something happened. Okay, means the action where it took place. Okay, let us have a look when we use this in the sentences. How to use these in sentences. Don't get confused between preposition and adverb of place, as few preposition also we are using here. So remember that after preposition, okay, after preposition always there will be either noun or pronoun in the sentence. Okay, either there will be noun or pronoun in the sentence, whereas in case if after that word if there is no noun or pronoun, then definitely it will be adverb of place. Okay, so preposition never answers for the question where. Okay, whereas adverb of place answers the question of that where. Okay, so let's have a look over few examples for more clarification. So now I am in need of your help to find out adverb of place in these sentences. They are hidden over here. Let's find out. Okay, shall we begin now? My grandparents' house is nearby. Okay, you can just have a look over here. My grandparents' house is verb here. Nearby is adverb of place. Okay, so this nearby, after this is there any noun or pronoun? So no, it's not the preposition, it is adverb of place. Don't walk backwards, it's dangerous. So here you can just see here, walk, it's walk, and after that you can just have a look over what is there here, adverb of place. Okay, so now let's see the third question. Come here, I want to talk to you. You can just see here in this verb, okay, coming, then where to come, so that is here. So this is adverb of place, we can say. My little sister is playing inside today because it's raining. My little sister is playing. Okay, this is verb here. So after verb you can just see here inside is there. This is showing where the action is taking place. That is adverb of place. Okay. Now next to this, after this is there any noun or pronoun? No, it's not there. So it is not preposition. It is adverb of place. I look everywhere for my keys. So look, it is verb here. So everywhere means where she looked. Okay, that is indicating adverb of place where the action is taking place. Okay, come in quickly, it's raining. So come, you can just say verb here. Okay, where they have to come, or she has to come, or he has to come. So that is indicating adverb of place. I will see you later. I am going outside. So you can just have a look here. Outside. Okay. So outside is the adverb of place. Here going it is verb we can say. So by looking at all these we can say that this all adverb of place. Okay. Adverb of place, that is where, okay, is followed by verb. So how to recognize? It will be always followed by verb, and after this adverb of place there will not be any noun or pronoun. Okay, hope the concept of adverb of place is clear now. In the next video clipping we are going to have adverb of manner. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.